You did it
kind of go
tastefully.
crazy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very tastefully. And so many people go over the top, chroming this and chroming
Right.
that, billet this. It just takes away from the original design of the vehicle, which was fine in the beginning.
You know, when we kind of put our heads together, it was, you know, well, we want to go back to the original color. We want to keep it as original as possible. You know, the father wanted this new, you know, fancy. So I asked him, I said, well, you know, what's your take? He said, well, I want those hubcaps.
Yeah, those dog dishes.
Which are like, dog dishes off the van.
Yeah.
And he wanted these kind of mirrors.
Yeah.
Instead of the West Coast mirrors.
Yeah.
You know? And I said, that's it. And he goes, well, you know, nice stereo. I go, no, we'll do a stereo. You know?
Man, what a lucky kid, man.
Yeah. He's a good kid too.
And he deserves it.
You know what? Though, after high school, went off to college, and he was interning during high school summers with the oil company, and so he went into engineering in college after high school. Couldn't take it with him. Right out of college, they hired him into Texas. Right.
I bet. Yeah.
So he rented a place till he bought a condo, but he didn't have partners for it, you know.
Oh, yeah.
So it stayed at home, and it was, you know, we'll bring the truck to you once you get, you know, kind of settled in. Well, then they transferred him to Chicago.
And you don't want to bring
even
it
less. Right. So I keep telling him, you know, buy a damn house somewhere, you know, with a garage. And I'll bring his truck to you.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you, man.
But the owner gets it back, and I drive it. I mean, I take it to shows.
You have to.
Yeah.
You have to. It's a great piece. I mean, it's just beautiful. I don't know. What's your name?
Dennis.
My name is Randy. My channel is Randy 57 Chevy. You'll see my 57 Chevy in it.
Good deal.
You'll see all the cars and trucks I do. And I heard about this gathering for the trucks.
Yeah.
And I keep trying to get out here, but I get pulled into the car end of the deal.
Yeah.
But I made it this morning. I thank you for bringing this out. Thank you for the story.
I'm leaving here and going to the Fox Theater in Pomona.
Yeah.
The Model A club I belong to is having a thing over there.
Really? I may be right over. It's over in Pomona.
Yeah, right.
Where at in Pomona?
I got it on the see you later.
You guys. Good luck.
Yeah. The Fox Theater.
Oh, I could say if it's Pomona Fox Theater, I know where that is.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'll have to go over there.
Yeah.
I'll be right over.
They're leaving the Walmart parking lot in Monrovia at 9 o'clock. So that by the time we get there, they ought to be rolling in.
Okay, I gotta get over there then. I'll see you over there. Thank you. Okay, we're out of here. See some Model A's.
Junior will be there.
And we're out of here with my truck. Everybody have a great day. I'm going to a Model A breakfast.